Now we will go to Daboli and Cortali. Elvis Bab, Mormugaon start केलं तेन्ना मागतालो, so we'll go to Daboli and Cortali. Daboli पोवया आणि मागीर मुखार या. Daboli, is Movin Gudino safe? Yes, Movin Gudino is safe. This is very, I think, many of you expected also on this panel. Movin Gudino is safe. The next is Cortali. Is Alina Saldana safe? And she is unsafe. The very clear sense is Alina Saldana is unsafe. Nilesh, please tell us more.
Dabolim, there is an overwhelming majority which believes that they have a very efficient MLA, and so they have given him a very good rating. When it comes to whether they want to change of the government, again, in case of Dabolim, there is a large, huge chunk, a massive percentage that says no. They do not want to change of government. So both these factors come together as a reinforcement to make the sitting MLA safe. There is a large majority, again, like the way you had a skewed thing in Dabolim, there is a skewed verdict towards change of government in Cortalim. So Cortalim people want a change of government, and even if the government changes, when it comes to the sitting MLA, there is a massive sum which believes that sitting MLA in Cortalim has not been up to the mark, and therefore she is unsafe.
Manoj?
हय, दाबोळी आणि कुठ्ठाळी. दाबोळी MLAन बरें परफॉर्म केला, ताका मिनिस्ट्रियल बर्थूय मेळ्ळा, भाजपान बरें व्हडलें वरिश्ठ स्थान मेळ्ळा, GST कावन्सील ही रिप्रेझेंट्स, ही इज एन इंटेलिजंट MLA, व्हेरी एलोक्वंट, आणि सबंद कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या बरोबर जो इंडस्ट्रीचे हित राखपा खातीर GST यू हॅव सीन ऑटोमोबायल इंडस्ट्री कशें ताणें GST सूट मेळोवन दिली गेल्या वर्सा. सो दॅट ही हॅज बीन परफॉर्मिंग, ही इज व्हेरी स्मार्ट. इट इज अ गुड गेन फॉर द BJP. आणि BJPन जर ताचेर जर इन्वेस्ट करत सोशली पॉलिटिकली, ही कॅन बी अ गुड कॅन्डिडेट अँड ऑल्सो अ गुड चीफ मिनिस्टर्स कॅन्डिडेट फॉर द BJP ऑल्सो इफ रिक्वायर्ड इन द फ्युचर. सो लेट इज नॉट टॉक अबाउट दाबोली. थंय काँग्रेसाचो किंवा खंयच्याय पार्टीचो एक फॉर्मिडेबल मनीस फुडें दिसना, एक्सेप्ट इफ जुजे फिलिप डिसुजा फ्रॉम वास्को, इफ ही ट्रायज टू शिफ्ट टू दाबोलीम, ही विल हॅव टू पुट अप अ टफ फायट, अँड देन वील हॅव टू सी वॉट हॅपन्स लेटर. कुठ्ठाळे द MLA हॅज बीन इनइफेक्टिव्ह. BJPच्या रँकान फायला भितरूय जे ट्रेडिशनल BJP वोटर्स आसा, दे आर ऑल्सो ओपोज टू हर, आणि जी माथाना साल्दनाची सिंपथो फॅक्टर जो शी वॉज रायडींग, तो आतां वेवर जात आयला, टेपर जायत आयला, सो थंय तिका प्रॉब्लम आसा. So since the MLA in Cortalim has been ineffective, people are talking that there has to be a change in the government. Remember, so Catholic dominated constituency, elected for the first time or last two times and a BJP MLA, but this time people don't see any merit why they should support a BJP MLA and therefore the government. So it is contradictory की सबंद मुरगांवच्या तालुक्यांत जर पळयले चारूय मतदारसंघ, MLA चे फेस जर मुरगांव आणि वास्को जर चेंज जर करता जाय जाल्यार BJP कॅन गो थ्रू. वेरएज इन Cortalim, इवन इफ MLA चो फेस जरी चेंज जरी केलो जाल्यार BJP ती सीट मेळपाक खूप कठीण दिसता. दाबोली इज अ पिगी बॅक राईट.
Yeah. Radhabab?
As I have said, Daboli, from whatever information I have, Matani, Movin is very safe, and Movin is is a man who can change colors.
You are agreeing with our survey and Mormugaon Taluka in toto.
Yes,
Yeah.
I must say.
Yeah.
Now Movin is, as far as Daboli is concerned, Movin is a man who can change his colors as the situation demands. We have seen. So there is no issue. He can cater to everyone in Daboli. And but from whatever I gather, it is the NCP is demanding some seats for an alliance with the Congress. And Congress would probably, particularly after this survey, gladly give Dabolim to Zé Philip. Because I am pretty sure they will give that. But I don't think that would make any difference to Movin.
Yeah.
But then there is another factor there who would probably get more votes than Congress. There's some Captain Viriato Fernandes who is making noises of contesting there.
Yeah.
I don't really think he can win, but he will make an impact. That's my feeling.
Okay.
Now
Elvis?
that is for Dabolim. Now we have Cortalim.
Yeah.
Now in Cortalim what happens, I have it on authorities that Alina has been told by the BJP that she will not be given the ticket because they know they didn't need this survey. They know that she is not getting the getting elected, and I believe that shortly she is going to announce that she is retiring from politics rather than face a situation where she is denied a ticket. And anytime that's what I understand from very close sources to her and to other sources, that she will probably retire from electoral politics and says bye-bye, because she also knows she has no chance of winning there.
Okay. Elvis?
Even her nephew
Yeah.
has shifted over to the Congress, no?
Yeah.
And her main supporter, Joel Fernandez, has shifted over to UP. So she is left without any base.
Elvis is waiting for such a long time to
ना
talk
ना
about
म्हाका इतलेंच
Cortalim.
म्हणपाचें दाबोली I leave aside for time being. Party will have to take cognizance of all the discussion that happens here and also the figures that have reflected in the survey. कुट्टाडे कितें जाला कुट्टाडे मेन प्रॉब्लेम अशें जाला जे इश्यूज लोकांचे थंय आसले पर्टिक्युलरली आतां कोल पोल्युशन ते सगळ्या लोकांक लागता तें सेकंड कोस्टल झोन मॅनेजमेंट प्लॅन दोनूच उदाहरण दिता हे जे इश्यूज आसा लोकांचे शी हॅज नॉट बीन एबल टू बी विथ द पीपल though no matter how much she would have wished to be with the people, her party is diametrically opposite to her views आणि म्हणून हे प्रॉब्लेम जाला शी कूड नॉट डू एनीथिंग फॉर द पीपल म्हणून ती एंटी इन्कम्बन्सी तिचेर खूब आतां डेव्हलप जावपाचीच जी लोकां बरोबर ती आसा म्हणटा पूण एट द सेम टायम ना सो दिस इज द प्रॉब्लेम एज फार एज कोर्ताली इज कन्सर्न एंड दॅट कोर्ताली सीट हॅज मूव्ड अवे
Are you conceding Daboli the way Giriraj conceded Mudkai?
I will not concede because there is time now for the party to work hard, and that is for the
Pramod,
party to
just one
decide.
point about Cortalim.
Yeah.
You know, Cortalim is a very strange situation. You see in Salset, and Cortalim is actually an extension of Salset. It was always, a Congress ticket was always in demand. And anyone would go for it, they would move heaven and earth. But you know, in a very strange situation, there's one Anthony was in Cortalim,
Yeah.
who has contested last 3 elections. He is a Zilla Panchayat member. And last 3 assembly elections, as an independent, he has secured about 5,000 votes each time.
Yeah.
He has a strong vote bank of 5,000.
Yeah.
Congress, every president, has gone to meet him, and he is refusing Congress ticket. That is the strangest part. He is refusing to contest on Congress ticket in Cortalim. Why it is, I don't know.
I will just, because Elvis Bab spoke about it, I immediately opened the data. Elvis Bab, sorry to disappoint you, but 87% people from Cortalim believe that CZMP as well as coal is a non-issue.
Which is
Maybe
very- same thing.
I'm
They feel that
completely shocked. I mean,
employment, rising prices, all those.
87% people believe that that's a non-issue.
ती कितें जालें लोक वाजेल्ले आसतले बिकॉज शी हॅज नॉट बीन एबल टू डू जस्टीस एट दॅट अप्रोप्रिएट टायम आनी सोडून दिला
That-
आसतलो
that could-
एमएलए बरोबर ते इश्यू
Giriraj,
सोडून दिला आसतलो
Giriraj, how do you look at both these constituencies quickly?
First, I think what Nilesh Bab said reinforces the fact that coal and the other issues have been manufactured and are not real. Otherwise, people would have definitely spoken about it. As far as Radharao Bab is concerned, he calls for an alliance against the BJP, but seems to have better sources in the BJP than me, because he already knows what has been conveyed to Madam Alina.
Yes.
As far as
He may not
Cortalim
admit
is
it,
concerned,
but you will know shortly.
as far as Cortalim is concerned, I think last time people have got very thin margin, and with 25% there was a victor. So I think that constituency is still a chance. If you use the word social engineering, then I think that can be applied to this constituency. So it is still a 50-50 seat if it can be. And about Dabolim, I think it's an overwhelming consensus within the team. It's here the group panel itself that Mr. Movin will sail through.
Yeah.